Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a brand new 2019 Kia Sorento LX V6 Premium in Dragon Brown. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes equipped with automatic projection headlights, bar-type LED positioning lights, as well as a stylish front grille with chrome trim and a sound-reducing windshield. Moving on, we have 17-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes and high-performance shocks. This model also includes power-heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters and chrome door handles, as well as roof rails and deep privacy tint glass. Moving on toward the rear now, this model has a 5,000-pound towing capacity and comes with a heated rear window, a rear window wiper, and trailer light pre-wiring. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill assist control, and impact sensing door unlock. Heading inside, the Sorento has a beautiful cloth interior with folding second and third row seating, along with rear climate ventilation and a 6-speaker sound system. And looking toward the front now, this vehicle comes equipped with power windows and locks, heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, as well as steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, and a 10-way power driver's seat with 2-way lumbar support. This model also features Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, along with both USB and auxiliary inputs, and a rear view camera on a 7-inch display. Some other great features include a wireless charging pad, drive mode select, and dual zone automatic climate control with an automatic defog system. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes with a 3.3 liter V6 GDI engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission.